Okay, good afternoon, friends. Hope you are all fine. And yesterday's discussion on the unit test one now come back to the textual part. We are doing people as resource, and in which I have already completed some of the part. Now today my topic is on health. And I told you once that day before yesterday, even whatever it is, that do you have gone through any type of advertisement where it is written we need sick people, we don't need healthy people, sick people we required to do the job. No, no. Means sometimes sickness is a liability. Health health is your asset. Health is your asset. Everyone wants to be the healthy one. So health is one of the topmost priority of your life. Topmost priority. यदि आप हेल्दी हैं तो आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. Look now in this corona, you know, I must say era. This era is going on. Corona era. More than 40 lakh people are dead with this virus. Another, it is said that Delta part is also going to come. The people who are saying that we are healthiest one, nothing could happen to us. They are dead now. The health is one of the most important aspects of your life, of our life. So health. Firm maximize profit. Firm maximize profit, right? And do you think any firm would be induced to employ people who might not work efficiently as healthy workers because of ill health? I told you just now this condition, right? So the health of a person help him to realize his or her potential and the ability to fight illness. Again, it's a very important topic and a very burning topic now these days. You are getting when you are being injected against the COVID-19 means it started in 2019. You are in your mobile, it is said that you have been successfully vaccinated. Your next vaccination is going to be held in this date. Health consciousness. You go to gym also, you go to here and there, you go to running in the morning, right? You get healthy food and all. Why I said healthy food, which keeps you healthy, जो आपको healthy रखती है. So health is very important part. He she will not be able to maximize his or her output to the overall growth of the organization. If you are suppose you are feeling headache and it's a really severe headache or any type of headache, any type of pain in your body, you will go to doctor and have them. You will get medicated. Why? So? Because you feel lethargic. You are unable to give your 100% to your work. You cannot maximize the profit of your organization, right? So indeed, health is an indispensable. What do you mean by indispensable? Can you think? Don't go for the dictionary. Indispensable means important part we cannot be a part of. You cannot divorce that particular thing. Indispensable. It's a part and parcel of your life. Right? Indispensable basis for the realizing one's well-being. Henceforth, improvement in the health status of the population has been priority of the country. Priority of the country. I told you just not priority. Your basic priority is, when a baby is born, एक बच्चे का जन्म होता है, a baby is born, doctor is ready with their injection and other things. Then and there, within half an hour, they put 2 or 3 injections so that the baby should be healthy. Hmm? So it's a priority of the country. Our national policy to aims at improving the accessibility of healthcare. आप अपने आसपास गवर्नमेंट हेल्थ सेंटर्स देखते हो, where you go for the primary health centers, you go for the AIMS, you go for the other big hospitals, and now they affect your psychology. If you're not healthy, it affects your psychology. It affects your brain, right? So healthcare is there. Healthcare is accessibility of healthcare, and you should access to your healthcare. आप बीमार हो तो basically you can go to the doctor and doctor should attend you. Your pocket should allow that particular medicine. Earlier it is said that medicines are very expensive. Now it's a another medicine they are also in the market who are in less in cost. Where our prime minister's photograph is there, right? Family welfare and nutritional service with a special focus on the underprivileged segment of the population. Underprivileged. They are also human beings. They can all they will be they have to sometimes they are also sick. They have to have go to the they have to go to the hospitals. Sometimes they are also under the medication. So accessibility should be there. तो कि ताकि वो अपने पैसों से जितने थोड़े बहुत पैसे से वो मेडिसिन को खरीद सके और वो हेल्दी हो. Underprivileged. Over the last 5 decades, over the last 5 decades, India has built a vast health infrastructure. Lot of hospitals are being made, government hospitals, private hospitals, primary hospitals. Yesterday, day before yesterday, Modi inaugurated 7 hospitals in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Not hospitals, sorry, medical colleges for the future. 7 medical colleges. Why we are so much worried about the health? Because health is there, everything is there. Health is gone, everything is gone. Over the last 5 decades, India has built 5 decades. 1 decade is equals to 10 years. 5 decades is equals to 50 years. India has built a vast health infrastructure and has also developed the manpower required of primary, secondary, and tertiary sector in the government as well as in the private sector. So it is your infant mortality rate. You will read yourself, right? And what main important part I have already discussed with you. Some questions are there. What is the percentage increase in dispensary from 1951 to 2015? What is the percentage increase in the doctors and nursing personnel from 1951 to 2015? Now, this is important. Do you think that the increase in the number of doctors and nurses are educated for India? जितने भी nurses और doctors हैं India में, they are basically not educate. Educate means complete अच्छे ठीक है या इनको बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. Educate for India, if not why? यदि इतने कंप्लीट पूरे नहीं है, हमें और चाहिए डॉक्टर्स को, तो अब तक क्यों नहीं हुए? 50 से लेकर 2021 अभी तक नहीं हुए, क्यों नहीं? What other facilities would you like to provide in a hospital? Hospitals में क्या क्या facilities provide की जानी चाहिए? Right? You think yourself. Discuss about the hospitals you have visited. कभी किस hospital में गए होगे आप लोग? कभी न कभी कोई बीमार हुआ होगा. You went to the hospital. What do you think? What type of hospitals are there? How if the condition are good, the condition are worse, or condition are bad, the condition are mediocre, whatever it is. You should write yours. Can you draw a graph using this table? You know, there are many places in India which do not have even these basic facilities. Doctors are not there, concerned paramedical staff is not there. You know, you will be surprised to know that many hospitals in India, they don't have a single ambulance. Ambulance is not there. ये 3-4 years हुए कि एम्बुलेंसेज आई हमारे देश के अंदर, हॉस्पिटल्स में. Otherwise, 10 years before, ambulance was not there in now also in villages. Can you think if somebody is serious, what will happen if he is not treated immediately or shifted to a good hospital? Many places in India which do not have even these basic facilities. There are only 381 medical colleges. It's a old graph, right? But now medical colleges has been enhanced in the country, and 301 dental colleges just for 4 states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu have the maximum number of colleges. Can you think why not other states even? 4 or 5 states are there. We have got lots of medical colleges. Why not other states? We have got 29 states now. Only 4 or 5 states are there. Where are those? Okay. Now, next topic. So, health is very much important. Isn't so? Now, you can, how much health is important, you can think and you can compare with the COVID-19. COVID-19 में क्या हाल हुआ है देश का, लॉकडाउन आफ्टर लॉकडाउन, लॉकडाउन आफ्टर लॉकडाउन, and still lockdown continues. You are not coming to the school. Why? Because health is the main factor. Okay. Next is unemployment. Unemployment. What is the meaning of unemployment? The person who is not employed according to his need. Employed, unemployed. Right? So Sakal is a story over here, continued with this chapter related to the chapter itself. Sakal's mother Sheila looked after the domestic chores, children and helped her husband Bhuta in the field. Sakal's brother Jitu and sister Situ spent their time playing and roaming. Can you call Sheila, Jitu or Situ unemployed? If not, why? Because they are minor people, minor. So उनका employment होना मुश्किल है. Up to more than 14 to 15 years, you cannot be employed. What do you mean by unemployment? And just write down, underline this sentence from your book. Please open your book along with your mobile, whatever it is, and you should have your pencil. Whenever I said they underline the sentence, it means you should underline the sentence. Okay? So your question could be a 1-mark question. What do you mean by unemployment? Unemployment is said to exist when people who are willing to work at the going wages cannot find jobs. जब लोगों को नौकरी नहीं मिलती, उनको जरूरत है, but they are unable to get the job, that is called unemployment. Sheila is not interested in working outside her domestic domain. Domain means area, that particular area. उससे बाहर जाना नहीं चाहती, घर से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहती. G2 and C2 are too small to be counted in the workforce population. I told you they are minor ones. बहुत छोटे हैं वो जॉब पे नहीं जा सकते, कानून उनका अलाउ नहीं करता. Right? So neither G2, C2, Sheila can be counted as unemployed. The workforce population included people from 15 years to 59 years. 15 से आपकी जॉब करने की शुरू हो जाती है, up to 59 years, up to the retirement age. Saka's brother and sister do not fall with the age group of they cannot be called unemployed. Saka's mother, Sheila, worked for the family. She is not willing to work outside her domestic domain for payment. She too cannot be called unemployed. वो जाना ही नहीं चाहती, ठीक है, घर से बाहर जाना नहीं चाहती. So she wants to be busy in the household. Saka's grandparents, right, cannot be called unemployed because they're too old to work. In case of India, we have unemployment in rural and urban areas. We have got rural unemployment and urban unemployment. Rural means गांव, urban means शहरी. However, the nature of unemployment differs in rural and urban areas. दोनों के जो employment criteria, they are the different ones from each other. However, the rural urban areas, in case of rural areas, there is a seasonal and disguised unemployment. Seasonal, which depends on the season. अब देखिए, the field workers are working in the field, agricultural field, doing job, right? And disguised unemployment, when one person is required to work in the field, but there are the 4% doing the same job. One person is required or 2% is required, but 3 to 5% are working in the same field, doing the same job. That is called disguised unemployment. Urban areas have mostly educated unemployment. Educated unemployment is a big problem in Indian employment market. A big problem. Lots of stories are there. When one advertisement is there, 3 or 4 posts are there. 3,000 applications are there. You can see the market of employment is not good at all in India. Disguised unemployment is also there. Seasonal unemployment is also there. Now, let's come to the work. Seasonal unemployment happens. What is the meaning of seasonal unemployment? Your question. Or explain seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Now some work people are coming from in agriculture field, they are coming from UP, they are coming from Uttarakhand, they are coming from Odisha and all. They are working in the field. People depend upon agriculture usually face such kind of problems. जब ये सीजन खत्म हो जाएगा, they will go to their own place and there's no job for them. That is season. जब सीजन आता है तब वो काम करना उनको काम मिल जाता है, सीजन खत्म हो जाता है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट शुरू हो जाती है. There are certain busy seasons. I told you there are certain busy seasons when sowing, harvesting, weeding, threshing is done. Now sowing is continuing now. इससे जीरी कहते हैं, धान हो रहा है, वो आजकल रोपा जा रहा है. Certain months do not provide much work. Certain months they do not provide much work to the people dependent on agriculture. Right? In case of disguised unemployment, this was the seasonal unemployment. Another one is underline kar lo. Another one is disguised unemployment. In case of disguised unemployment, people appear to be just give me 1 minute time here. In case of disguised unemployment, in case of disguised unemployment, people appear to be employed. Appear to be employed. आपको दिखाई देता है कि वो काम कर रहे हैं. Appear to be employed. Employed, they have a spot where they find work. This usually happens among family members engaged in agricultural activity. The work requires the service of 5 people but engages 8 people. 5 मैंने अभी कहा आपको कि सफर 2 लोगों की जरूरत है. They require that your work requires 2 people working. They are working 4 people or 5 people. So 3 people are under the disguise unemployment. Right? So here, example, the work requires the service of 5 people but engages 8 people. 3 people are extra. 3 people are extra. So these 3 people also work in the same plot as the others. The contribution made by the 3 extra people does not add to the contribution made by the 5 people. 3 people extra hai. They are just helping the 5 people. They are not contributing in the extra income because extra income is not there. If 3 people are removed from the productivity of the field, it will not decline. Productivity in the field will not decline. ये 3 लोगों को अलग कर दिया जाए, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But these 3 people, if they are getting work in any other area, if they are getting some job in other area, they will be employed. It can enhance the financial contribution of the family. So, if 3 people are removed, the productivity of the field will not decline. The field requires the service of the 5 people, and the 3 extra people are disguised unemployed. So, in case of urban areas, educated employment has become a common phenomenon. It's a common fact. Unemployment in city areas, in educated areas, in urban areas, lot of educated unemployment is there in India. Education is there, they have got the degree, they have each and everything, but they are not employed. We will discuss it, rest of it, we will discuss back tomorrow. And we will continue with the same chapter, unemployment. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.